back to my YouTube channel. Today we will start next chapter, that is limits and derivatives for class +1 students. Let's begin. I already upload basic concepts of derivatives and link of that video is given in the description. Now some basic concepts of limits. If left limit is equal to right limit, then we will call that limit of the function exists. Now the question is, what is left limit and what is right limit? So let's know about left and right limits. Firstly, left limit. A function f is said to have a left limit L as x tends to a negative, written as limit x tends to, this sign is known as tends to or approaches to a negative, fx is equal to L. And for right limit, x tends to a positive, a plus. A function f is said to have a right limit L as x approaches to a positive, written as limit x tends to a positive, fx is equals to L. Now for left limit, f of a minus h and h tends to 0, and for right limit, that is for limit x tends to a positive, we put x is a plus h because there is positive sign, so x is replaced by a plus h, and for negative sign x is replaced by a minus h. Now if left limit is not equal to right limit, then limit of the function does not exist. And if left limit is equal to right limit, then limit of the function exists. Now some important results related with limits. Limit is always unique. Limit x tends to a fx exists finitely. If limit of the function exists, then it is unique. There is only one limit for one function. Then limit x tends to a alpha, because alpha is constant, so it is equal to alpha. These are some important formulas, so note down in your notebooks. Limit x tends to a, x raised to the power n. Now put x is equal to a, so this is equal to x raised to the power n, x is a raised to the power n. Next, limit x tends to a, fx is equal to fa. Now replace x by a, so this is equal to f of a. Limit x tends to a, fx divided by gx, again x is replaced by a, fa divided by g of a. Next, limit x tends to a, e raised to the power x, exponential function, so limit is equal to e raised to the power a. Next, if this is greatest integer function not greater than x, then limit x tends to a negative, that is left limit. Left limit is equal to a minus 1, and right limit a positive is equal to a. Because left and right limits are not equal, because left limit is a minus 1 and right limit is a, these two are not equal, so limit of greatest integer function does not exist. Next, limit x tends to a, fx is equal to L, then these two results hold. Limit x tends to a, k of fx k is constant and this is equal to L. Take k outside and value of limit x tends to a, fx is equal to L. So this is equal to k of L. Similarly, this result, limit x tends to a, modulus of fx, because limit of fx is L, so this is equal to modulus of L. Next, if f, e, be two real valued functions and limit of fx is L and limit of gx is m, then limit of fx plus minus gx is, limit of fx is L and limit of gx is m, so this is equal to L plus minus m. Next, limit of x tends to a, fx, gx, product of two functions, because limit of fx is L and limit of gx is m. Similarly, in case of division of two functions, limit x tends to a, fx divided by gx, limit of fx is L and limit of gx is m, so this is further equal to L divided by m. Next, very important, Skew's principle. If fx is less than gx less than hx and limit of fx is L and limit of hx is also L, then limit of gx is also L. This is Skew's principle. If limits of functions at boundaries is given equal to L, then limit of central function is also L. Next, limit of x tends to a, log x is equal to log a. Replace x by a. Next, important result. For any positive integer n, limit x tends to a, x raised to the power n minus a raised to the power n divided by x minus a is equal to n a raised to the power n minus 1. Very important. Now let us solve some examples to more clarify about concept of limits. Find the limits. Limit x tends to 1, x cube minus x square plus 1. Now replace x by 1, that is 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1. 1 cube is equal to 1 minus 1 and plus 1, 1 1 cancel is equal to 1. Next question. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 1. Now this is equal to x square plus x. Now put limit x is equal to 3, that is 3 square plus 3. 3 square means 9 plus 3, that is 12. Next, third part, limit x tends to minus 1, 1 plus x square plus so on plus x raised to the power 10. Now put limit x is equal to minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 square plus so on plus minus 1 raised to the power 10. That is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, alternative signs. All 1 cancelled, only 1 is left, that is answer 1. Next question. Evaluate the following limits. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 3. limit x tends to 3, x plus 3, put limit 3, x is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Very simple question. Next question, limit x tends to pi, x minus 22 by 7. Now put x is equal to pi minus 22 by 7. Next question, third part, limit r raised to the power